Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 14. Today I have some special guests here with me today. Grandma and Papa, we're going to be doing a taste test of some holiday themed cocktails. These are going to be my taste testers here. They're going to be critiquing it. To be honest, it's not really going to be so much like fancy like the recipes, but more so like the presentation of it. Something that's going to be fun to like serve at parties. So I'm going to start them off with the first one. So I'm going to get that ready now. The first drink is going to be called a White Christmas Mimosa. So Dad, I'm actually going to have you open this for me. And I have two different options for the glasses here. These my cousin Sam actually gave to me as an engagement present a few years ago. These really pretty Christmas tree champagne glasses. So I'm going to use these. And then I also have these little, what are these called? Coupe?
Sherbet glasses?
No. They're champagne glasses, but aren't they called like coupe glasses, something like that? Anyway, I got these from Home Goods a few years ago. So I'm going to do a little bit of a white cranberry juice in place of like an orange juice, like a mimosa. Okay.
Use champagne.
Yes.
How many drinks do I get?
There's just two different drinks.
Oh, bad.
Are you having any?
Yeah. I mean, I also have my white wine too. I feel like this video was maybe needed for today. I'm feeling a little down about the video that's going to be going up tomorrow at the time that we're filming this, because I filmed that on Sunday and, you know, Luke has been sick and I just feel like I was just not... I mean, I said it in that video. I was just like, I don't know, not feeling it. I was just feeling down, Sunday scaries. But, so, topped it with champagne, and then I'm going to do a few little fresh cranberries.
It's pretty.
And that's what I said. How much money do you want to bet as soon as I start filming that someone's going to wake up crying? I'm also going to add it, just to make it real pretty, this is actually cake dust for like decorating cakes, a little like shimmer dust.
It's pretty in those glasses with the Christmas trees.
Mix this up a little. And then a little garnish of the rosemary.
Yeah, the champagne is really pretty.
Beautiful. These are our, what did I call these? White Christmas mimosas. All right. Cheers.
Cheers. I thought this glass was prettier, but now that one's prettier.
Well, there's another one.
That's all right. Oh, that's very good. It tastes, what, apple?
You can give your honest critique.
No, is it cran apple?
White cranberry juice.
White cranberry juice. That's good. Very pretty.
So what do we think? This is a good party drink?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this doesn't have to be a party. This could be any night. I think it'd be something super easy that you could do to just make it look fancy with the cranberries and the rosemary.
No, it's pretty. And this looks pretty in the wintertime.
Mm-hmm.
Just in January and February.
Yeah, not necessarily just a
Holiday drink.
Christmas drink. Yeah.
Yeah, very pretty. Very good. Thank you.
I mean, you could even do just regular cranberry juice, you know, to give it a little bit of a pink color, but
Mm-hmm.
I like the idea of the white Christmas theme.
It reminds me of snow.
Mm-hmm.
If it's too much pink with the red, though.
All right, well, you guys can sip on that while I prepare the next one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm waiting for that.
I'm waiting for the one with a little more kick to it.
Yeah, so I never claimed to be a mixologist. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys, just so you can kind of see and we can show the camera. So this has been a kind of like a viral trend going around. So these are called snowglobe cocktails. So you can see here, they're a little frosted right now, but you should be able to see when I pour the drink in. So I froze the rosemary in there, so they look like a little Christmas tree is standing up.
Looks like a tree.
In water?
Okay, now one of them fell down a little bit. But yeah, so it's just, this one came out pretty good.
Let me see.
Yes, it's just water frozen in the bottom here. Now, I've seen people do like pipe cleaners or things like that to hold the rosemary in place when you freeze it. Maybe I should have done that because one, I mean, it's still sticking up some, but this one turned out pretty good. You know, when I put it in the freezer, it looked fine. Yeah, I was just, well, I was turning the camera on. So I was just saying, to be full transparency here, I don't really know how to make a mule. So I did Google it, but, you know, such is life. I wasn't really that prepared. I'm gonna say it's, what, vodka, ginger beer, and then I also got cranberry lime flavored seltzer, just to give it a little more of that bubble effect to do the snow globe effect. So hopefully you can see up close now that they're starting to, you know, get less frosty. I do think this one came out really good. I'm happy with this one. And these glasses, I thought they would be pretty to kind of give the effect of like the base of the snow globe. Yeah. I'm hoping. So I'm going to do the Tito's first. I guess this is a big shot glass.
Oh boy. I wonder how much that is.
That's probably, what? How many ounces is this?
That's a shot and a half, probably.
That's what I was thinking, 1.5 ounces.
Yeah, I already know this will be my favorite.
See if we can get some of the bubble. Alright, now we're gonna do, this is cranberry lime seltzer. So in there you can see the little tree in like the snow globe. So do we think we should add the shimmer to this one too, or just let it be?
Will the shimmer look like snow on the trees?
Maybe. Wouldn't hurt. Let's add a little. So now I've seen some people doing this drink, but literally just doing it as like a sparkling water drink. And I think that would work really well for like the presentation, because it would just be clear. You can see the tree better, but you know, we wanted to make this, you know, a cocktail. So we went with the vodka and the ginger beer. I had a little intermission since Collins woke up coughing, so I had to go up to her. But so during that time, I guess this one started to float away with the ice. So that's something to think about if you would be, I guess, serving it at a party. And it might float away at some point. I do think I probably put in too much seltzer, but I wanted to try to make it more clear.
There's a tree just...
I was gonna say, all I taste is rosemary.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But I like rosemary.
I like it.
I like rosemary.
What?
I feel like I'm drinking a Christmas tree.
Is it that potent?
I don't know if it's the ginger beer or the, is it lavender?
Rosemary.
Rosemary, I mean. Maybe it's a combination of the two. It's a little...
Let me taste it.
It's when you breathe it in. Take it, like
Yeah.
breathe as you go, breathe as you go into it.
Yeah. Yes.
Inhale and it just gets right there.
I'll clear you up.
Great for when you have a cold.
Yeah. I think it could use some more ginger beer. But I think the problem with that is that then it kind of makes it like foggy to see. So I think you could definitely do like the presentation of it, but maybe do something that is going to be really more clear.
I think it's very, very cute, but
I do think it's a cute idea. I don't know how realistic it is for like a party. Like if you were going to like make a bunch of these too. And then also, like we saw, you know, how long was I upstairs with Collins?
5 minutes.
Yeah, and it started to float
No,
away.
but that isn't.
I do think it's a cute idea. Yeah, that one stayed.
It's like a little iceberg.
Yeah, it's like a...
But it's cute. Look at it.
So it's cute, you know. I do think it's a good idea, but I don't know how.
Let's see if mine will raise to the top.
Yeah. Well, I feel like anything too, you could just do rosemary and like the cranberries. I feel like that's gonna make anything look pretty, especially for the holidays.
I think appearance-wise,
Yeah, but
this and the other
definitely
glasses
do
were
that.
pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is very pretty for Christmas, but the other drink is more in the winter too.
So these were fun to test out, but
Oh, I'm still gonna drink.
it was cute in theory.
Very good. Thank you.
Yours is floating perfectly.
Yeah, I mean, still looks like a Christmas tree.
Actually, it looks more like a Christmas tree.
Yeah. Want to give anything a rating? Give these a rating 1 through 10.
On taste or cuteness or appearance, what?
We can do both. And then overall.
I think appearance are all 10. They're all very cute and festive.
Appearance, 9. Appearance
2.
7.
Well,
Okay.
rate mine of appearance.
Yours looks better than mine because yours is straight.
And what about the other one?
The taste. I like the taste of this better.
Yeah. I do think I went heavy on the seltzer with this one, trying to make it more clear.
Yeah.
But that could be adjusted.
Or you could just put
Oh, I forgot
straight
I had
Tito's.
lime.
Straight Tito's.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's the thing. You do something just clear. If you want to do that, and then it's already, you know, the glasses are frozen. So if you were going to do just like straight liquor, you could do that.
Oh, because
It would make a good martini.
when this melts, then it waters down the drink too, right?
Can't have that.
Maybe this should have been Tito's.
You can't
Alcohol
freeze
doesn't
Tito's.
freeze.
Oh, sorry. Cut that out, please.
No, that's staying in. Amateur. I guess we'll just sit here and enjoy these cocktails after, you know, the past few days that I've been having. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. We would love to have you here. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you've tried, you know, this viral snow globe cocktail hack, and let us know what are your favorite party drinks or cocktails. We would love to know. Thank you guys again so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
L'chaim.
Cheers.